Consolation Prize in the third Association of Indian Universities National Women Student Parliament 2024-25, which concluded today at Centurion University of Technology and Management at R. Sitapur in Odisha. The team from Manipur University made it to the semi-finals in the Youth Parliament, which saw participation from 27 universities from across India. The Manipur University team was represented by Naurem Chelsia, a second semester MA Political Science student, Kundrapam Nirsana Devi, a PhD scholar from Department of Earth Science MU, and Jessie Thiam, an MA English fourth semester student, who is also SKTV news anchor. The team was led by team manager Dr. Koijam Sobita from Department of Teacher Education, Manipur University. The team from Manipur University cruised into semi-finals after winning the first, second and third round, where they successfully debated on topics such as One Nation, One Election, Uniform Civil Code and Telecommunications Act 2023. Lovely Professional University emerged as overall champion of the third AIU National Women Student Parliament 2024-25.
The internet got suspended for months following the abrogation of the Article 370. And also at UP, the same happened against the protest of the Citizenship Amendment Act. However, also in my homeland, Manipur, Speaker Sir, in 2023, the internet suspension extended up to 200 days. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, 200 days. Just imagine we are living in a digitalized world and living in an area where there is no access to internet. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I believe that this is not how a good democratic government should work.